This is Harry Vocal, sound of Australia, voice off the street. Poor little Cleo Smith. As we all know, and our hearts went out for this little girl, there's been some joy that she's been retrieved, and the idiot who took her has been charged. But the poor little darling probably went through hell for the last 18 days, is going to suffer for years. But her real problems are going to start because, as usual, our Australian media is saturating the shit out of us with it. Everything you turn on, wireless, TV, it's Cleo Smith. And now her real problems start because these relentless bastards will not let up. We want to be informed, but this saturation has got to stop. All we want to know was the end of the story, and then let's go on to the next one. But here we go. It'll be another 2 weeks of this media bullshit saturation. God help you, Cleo. This is Harry Vocal.